Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official Kraken website. So to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet, you just have to sign in into your Kraken account and click the withdraw button on the home page, and then just make sure you're on the withdraw tab on the new page. The first drop down menu will be pre-populated with your available crypto. So if you wish to withdraw a different crypto, then the one shown below, select the crypto you wish to withdraw from the drop down, which in this case is Bitcoin. And once you have chosen your crypto, select a previously added withdrawal address or just add new one. Enter the amount you would like to withdraw or change the percentage of your account balance in that specific currency. Double check all the information and click on withdraw BTC. You may be asked for your two-factor verification. Just verify it and confirm your withdrawal. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.